Hey guys, and welcome to Blog Tip Tuesday, where I share helpful blog tips every single Tuesday. In today's video, I want to share some tips for starting a blog when it comes to how to start making money and what to do when no one is searching for your content. Now, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Whitney Bonds, and I run the website Tried and True Mom Jobs. I started my blog out of pure desperation. I wanted to be able to make money from home and raise my kids at the same time. See, I only made a few $1,000s my first year getting started, but the following year, I was able to earn 6 figures with my blog. And a major reason for that is because I figured out how to use SEO. Now, SEO stands for search engine optimization, and what it is it's just basically writing your articles in a certain way so that they can show up on Google. Because what is the number one place people go to when they have a question? It's Google. And what do you find when you Google something? It's blog articles and now YouTube videos. So I did a video a couple weeks ago on 5 beginner blog tips that I think will really help you get started, especially for a beginner. Now, I watched it last night and I was like, man, this is a really good video. So I hope you guys can watch that after this video because I really think it will help you building a foundation for your website. But in today's video, I really want to just focus on affiliate marketing because it is my absolute favorite way to make money and it's how bloggers can start making money right away. Now, for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, in a nutshell, it's where you recommend a product or a service to someone using a unique referral link. If that person purchases something using your referral link, you get to earn a commission or a referral fee. Now, I go more in depth about affiliate marketing in my step-by-step video that I highly recommend you guys check out if this is one of the ways that you want to make money with your blog. So when I write my articles, I only write them if I know I can get them to rank on Google. Because there's no point in writing something if I can't get people to actually read it. So what I do is find questions that people are searching for on Google, and I see if I can answer their question through my articles on Google. So I'm going to show you an example of all this just so it can make better sense. Now, I use this tool called Keywords Everywhere and KWFinder just to find out what questions people are searching for on Google. And I have a more in-depth video on how I do my keyword research, so definitely check that out just to have a better understanding of how this all works. But I'm going to show you a quick example. So I use Keywords Everywhere to find out how often people are actually searching for these questions each month. And I use KWFinder to find out if it will be easy or hard to rank for on the first page of Google. So let me show you an example. So say I looked up on Google, chairs for back pain. This is a very random search, but it's just something that I was looking for myself. But when you're looking for questions people are searching for, make sure it's going to be related to your niche. So using the Keywords Everywhere tool, I try and look for long, specific questions because usually the longer the question is or the query, the less competitive it is and the easier it will be to write an article on it answering that user's question where I can rank on the first page of Google in the number 1 or the number 2 spot, the only spots that really matter. Because think about how you use Google. Do you really scroll all the way down and look at all the search results? Most people only look at the top 2 search results. So you really want to find something that's easy to rank for where you can get your article in the very top spot on Google for a targeted keyword. So if I scroll down here for chairs for back pain, I'm going to use my Keywords Everywhere tool that's going to show me different charts and different other related keywords that this tool has. But what I'm searching for is I want to scroll all the way to the bottom because I'm looking for long tail keywords because I want to find a question that people are searching for that's very specific where it won't be that competitive. So if I just scroll down here, I'm just looking for some keywords, and what I like to look for is that it has a growth. And this one right here, it has, you can see that this chart is showing that it's growing and it's only 90 here, but just let me show you an example. So chairs for back pain at home. This is very specific. This is a question that someone is having some back pain and they're looking for chairs that they can buy for their house. So I'm going to highlight this right here and do Control C. And I'm going to use my tool that I use called KWFinder to see how easy it is if I wanted to write an article on this, answering this person's question, how easy it would be to rank on the first page of Google. So if I go to KWFinder, I'm going to enter this keyword right here. And then I'm going to go to Find Keywords. and it says it's 23 out of 100, and it says it's still easy to rank for. So this is a great opportunity for me because I see that it's green. Just so you guys know the different colors that KWFinder has, green is easy, orange is kind of hard, and red is really hard. So I really kind of just stick to, especially as a new blog, stick to anything that's in green. That will be easier to rank for on the first page of Google. So that I see that this is 23 out of 100. And I really like KWFinder because it also gives me other content ideas. For example, look at this right here. Chairs for back pain at home. Only 90 people search for this search term each month. But if I look at this other suggestion they have for me, it says best chairs for back pain at home. That has a search volume of 2,000 per month. So that means 2,000 people each month are looking up best chairs for back pain at home. So this is even more specific, and it has a keyword difficulty of 23. So I would much rather write an article about this than just chairs for back pain at home because it has a lesser search volume. So I'm definitely going to write an article where my targeted keyword is best chairs for back pain at home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this right here, copy and paste it into a Google Sheet, and then I'm going to paste it and say best chairs for home. And then I'm going to add the search volume, which is 2,000, and the keyword difficulty. So I'm going to do this for about a week, just looking and searching for different questions that people are asking and trying to find articles that I can answer their questions through my articles that can rank on Google. Because just so you guys know, KWFinder, this tool costs about $49 per month. So what I want to do is get all the article ideas I can, and then I want to cancel it so I can save more money and just work to execute an article every single week. And just so you guys know, I want to share with you that before I verify that I can actually do an article on this, I want to see what Google is actually showing up in the search results right now. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this keyword and go to Google and then paste the keyword. And then I'm going to see what's showing up in the search results. Are there any articles that are addressing this specific targeted question? So best chairs for back pain at home. So I'm looking for this right here. And I don't see anything that's addressing the full issue of best chairs for back pain at home. So this is showing me that this is a great opportunity since no one else has created an article answering this specific question. So I would definitely write an article on this. And since I have no interest in writing an article on this, I'm giving this article idea free to you guys. And I want you to know that this is a great article to write because it has purchasing intent. Someone who is asking this question is obviously having some back pain and they're looking for a chair that they can buy at home to relieve their pain. So they have an issue and you can solve their problem by researching some of the best chairs that you can use at home. And this is a great affiliate opportunity because this person has an issue and they want to hurry up and solve their problem by buying a new chair. So if this were me, I would write a great value-packed article trying to find the best chairs that people can use at home. And that's why this is a great affiliate opportunity because no one else has addressed this issue, which leaves a great opportunity for you. And this is the things that I do when I write my articles. I'm always looking for things that I can write to answer someone's questions through products and services, through affiliate products, so I can help them and I can earn a commission if they use my referral link when they are making a purchase. But here are some high-performing article ideas that are good affiliate opportunities where you can make a nice amount of money. So if you wrote articles like product name plus review, or as article ideas like, is this product A really worth it? Or comparison articles like product A versus product B, or best products for, like this example I just gave you, or how-to articles with step-by-steps. For example, if you did a step-by-step article and one of the steps was that they needed to purchase something, that's a great affiliate opportunity because they need that product or service to move on to the next step. So those type of articles are great affiliate opportunities. And as a new blogger, I wouldn't get hung up on the search volume for a keyword because I know someone that wrote an article and her targeted keyword had a search volume of only 50. And she's earned over $2,000 from that article, because the few people who did read her article were all in the purchasing stage. So you really have to just think about the user and what their intent is when they're searching for something on Google. So when you're writing your articles, just think about, can a product or service answer this user's question? And can you write an article answering their question that can actually rank on the first page of Google? And make sure that you can join these companies' affiliate program that you're promoting. And if it's an affiliate program that requires you to have more traffic, I would still write that article. And once you do get enough traffic, then you'll be able to monetize it with that affiliate program. But remember, in order to even get your articles to rank on Google, you have to write your articles in a certain way for them to show up on Google. And that is why I am always talking about these 2 ebooks that I use on every single one of my articles to get them to rank on Google, because it works every single time. I am an affiliate of KWFinder, so if you guys want to sign up, I'll definitely put my affiliate link in the description below. It's not sponsored. I only promote things that I use myself, so it's just something that I love and giving you guys free information. And if you decide to use my affiliate link, it definitely encourages me to do more of it. So anyway, I've been asked a few times what to do if no one is searching for some of the things that you want to write about. And my advice is to still write it. Write what you want that you think will be helpful to your readers. Everything does not have to be SEO optimized, but what you have to do is think strategically. No one's going to find those articles you want to write if no one is searching for it. So what you need to do is find those questions that those users that you want to target with your article that you want them to read. Find questions that they will be asking for on Google. See if you can rank for them. If you can, write an article answering their question, but also add the article you really want them to read. Add a little snippet or a little teaser in that other article to drive them to that article. So I hope this makes sense. But that is a way to get traffic to your website for your other articles that you want to get traffic to that are not SEO related. And my last tip for starting a blog is to focus on SEO first. Pinterest is a good source of traffic, but it's just too up and down. SEO is just a lot more consistent. And remember, when you're writing an article to rank on Google, it could take 6 to 9 months to show up on Google. Blogging is a long game. You just have to trust the process. So what I do is I write an article, I do the things in this ebook, and then I forget about it. I move on to the next article. That's how I do it, and that's what I recommend for you guys as well. So those are my tips for today, and I hope this all made sense. And I'm going to start posting more on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me, and I'll put my link in the description so you can just easily click on it and follow me there. And for a better understanding on how to build a 6-figure blog, check out my 6-figure blog formula that I think anyone can do if they follow the same steps that I took. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.